Raymond, have you been able to get the beverage machine to work?
You already know who it is. It's your boy.
My God, what are you?
Can't get any worse than this, can it? Catch me later, I'll buy you a beer. Not scared, are you? Think there's a cold beer first at the end of all this? Think there's a cold beer? Think there's a cold beer first at the end? Think there's a cold beers at the end of all this?
Major fracture detected. Seek medical attention.
Freeman! Freeman, who would have thought you'd still be alive?
Catch me later, I'll buy you a beer. You think there's a cold beer first at the end of all this?